We are here at an apartment building. Is this technically in Pittsburgh?
This is in Ross Township.
Got an old elevator here. When the door closed, this kind of flew forward.
Little Pittsburgh elevator.
Oh, wow, this is cool.
Here we go. It's a little bitty elevator.
Yeah.
What a tall nerd. Wanna go again or
So,
no?
let's go again.
Alright, let's go.
Let's not motor.
You gotta really good with these buttons.
I like the yellow alarm.
Yeah. It's a new phone, obviously.
Yep.
It's a nice one. Great motor.
Yeah.